I want to prop you up for, you guys can see me, but I'm currently going through my closet and I'm taking out all the clothes that I don't wear or don't think is my style or don't think I will wear. And I'm going to list them on Poshmark and Mercari to start up my reselling journey. So I've already started with this section. This is what I already started off with. I gotta post that, but I'm just gonna, don't mind my closet, you guys, but prop you guys up somewhere so you can see. Yeah, I'm gonna prop you up somewhere. And I'm sorry for my appearance, but see me go through the clothes, figure out if I'm gonna wear them, and I'm also gonna be watching Law and Order. So join me on this. I already went through my belt section, and this one I will be posting. I've had this since 2007, never used it. I know the exact because I was getting ready for my baby's first birthday. So I had it 2017 or 2018. 2018 I probably purchased this, but never used it. It's a size large. Got it at Target, Wild Fable brand. That's a good brand, but I never used it. And I'm thinking I'm just going to probably donate these belts right here. I don't know. Okay, so I just have a small section in here that I was willing to lose out of my clothes. I'm definitely switching up my style. So I'm gonna go to my other closet to see if it's something that I want to finish this up with. I already went through my jeans when I first started posting. So I don't want to get rid of anything over here. I already did that. Even though it doesn't look like it, but I did go through these. But yeah. I will be right back. I'm going to go through, try to pick up the stuff in my other closet, and I'll be right back.
Three days later.
And iron level is low. And long story short, that's, I'm thinking, what contribute to my hair coming out. So make sure, if you see that you're losing hair or anything like that, make sure that you look into that. Because I washed my hair 2 times after that. The second time after I saw a lot of hair, shedding hair. It was a lot of shedding hair still. And then the time after that, I washed my hair and it was like the common amount of shed hair. So yeah, I've been taking my vitamins as prescribed or as advised to me. So yeah. But I'm trying to hurry up because I don't even know what I'm wearing. I'm thinking I'm gonna throw a hat on with this or something because I don't plan on like laying any edges or anything like that. but I said I want to just like start doing better with my channel. I post on there, but then I get discouraged when I don't get like views, but I'm gonna get it together. And I use the Do line. I love this line. I use this really, I use it a lot on my son's hair. But I got it from Marshall's. I really need to check and see if they have more. But I'm gonna finish getting ready because it's 1:42 right now. Finish getting ready. And I'll probably check in with you guys a little bit later. Probably show you guys maybe the look. But yeah, I'll be back.
And sending over the PMD clean body. Now, this sonic technology is great.
Y'all, let me tell you about my child. He said I can go to the thrift store, or I can get me an icy. I gotta choose. I gotta take one day at a time. What the heck? But I was trying to do better anyway. I don't need to go to the thrift store every day. But I'm gonna go get us an icy. We leaving Walmart right now. I'm not as brave right now to take you guys inside with me. But yeah. That's where we about to go. We about to go to Burger King and get us an icy.
Yeah, at the window. At the window.
At the window because it's raining.
It's raining.
Exactly. And you see I got the slick back going on. And I don't want to mess up my hair. Which will be, I think I did a short or I did a get ready with me video. So you guys will probably see that soon, or probably seen that before this video. So we had to go get stuff for his class, and also
my students.
Your students. So you the teacher.
No.
So get stuff for your class, like your classmates, right?
Yeah, my classmates. Sorry, y'all. I mean my classmates.
Right. So
Not the mean people.
we got that, and now we're heading to go get our icy, and I guess we're gonna go head home. Yeah.
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 We'll talk to y'all later.